with me here are executive members of Riverians for Bassey, and we're a strong forum for the governor. We have a diaspora wing which aims to bridge the gap between Riverians in America, Europe, Asia, and other regions in Africa. We are passionately dedicated to highlighting the governor's remarkable achievements. Our mission is to engage and enlighten all residents and citizens of Cross River State. As you know, the governor has done well for Cross River State. There's so much development, so much movement to exhibit. So we are the people taking the message out there, making sure that it permeates every corner, every locale, both at the local level and in the diaspora, in order to promote grassroots understanding and appreciation of the progress being made under Governor Tu's leadership. We came up with the mantra Otuism, which is coined from the name of His Excellency, Governor Bassey Otu. Otuism represents a people-centered governance model where power is genuinely placed in the hands of the populace and development reaches every corner, especially the grassroots and most marginalized community. It aims to bridge the divide, which His Excellency is doing very well, between the elites and underprivileged, so that everybody works together towards the development of the state, cooperatively and in collaboration. Our movement is, while election is part of it, our movement is not solely about election. We're intentional about making sure, like I said before, that the message of good governance permeates every locale. And that is why we're carrying everybody along. You are we chose you to be a non-indigenous patron owing to your experience and exposure. And we have non-indigents in Cross River State who are doing well and thriving, and as such, the non-indigenous community cannot be marginalized. I want to thank you on behalf of the group for finding time out of your busy schedule to play host to us. We are extremely honored to have you as a non-indigenous patron. Thank you.
Thank you. Most important and the most attractive part is the strides the governor is making now. Before, all you just hear about Cross River is Tinapa, and you don't hear any other thing other than Tinapa. But somehow, Cross River seems to be in the news for very good reasons: development of the people, rural community development, and a whole lot of that. So it leaves me with no other option than to join the train. I'm from Para, but Cross River by affiliation and by development. I've scribbled something, or maybe I should read it out.
Yes.
I said, Governor Bassey Otu is a visionary leader and a beacon of hope for Cross River State.
Oh.
With a heart for the people and the commitment to service, he has championed economic growth, infrastructure development, and social welfare. The leadership is marked by integrity, innovation, and an unwavering dedication to progress. From these days, as a legislator, to his tenure as governor, he has consistently prioritized the needs of the people, fostering unity and development. A true game changer, Governor Otu's legacy will be one of transformation, empowerment, prosperity for generations to come. Cross River stands stronger under his great leadership. You know, like I said earlier, he's not somebody that I know personally, but I know him by extension with reading good things about his strides in the States. And honestly, that's what I stand for. I'm a professional town planner, and whoever brings that sense of responsibility to governance is the person that I will line up behind. So you're welcome.